Hey sis, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna be doing a full glam makeup look. So if that's something that interests you, let's go follow, subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, we moisturize. Oh, it's cold. Oh, let me just use my finger because this is not working out for me. Oh, my face definitely needs that moisturizing. They say don't shake, and every time I keep shaking this thing, like, why would you say don't shake? Like, bro, that don't make no sense. But just a few drops. Rub it in. I'm going with the nice Myrix. Actually, just gonna go in with this to set all the primer. This is gonna seal all the moisture and everything in nicely. And just stamp all that in. You don't want to do like this too much. You can still move it around just to get the foundation around. But I like to just get this hair out of my face and just apply it all over. Blend that down. And why do I look so orange? Melissa? It's on my hair. So cute. See, this is, no, I used too much, first of all. And second of all, the color is coloring. You see, I have some pigments here. Press that in so you can cover it up. I'll be using this Morphe palette. I'm gonna use this cream blush right here. Blush time. And just apply that all over your cheeks area. Tap, 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 tap. And build up, okay? Go light, and if you want more coverage, more blush, you add more products, okay? I love blushes. Do you guys love blushes? If you do, which blush is your favorite blush? I need to get more blushes, honestly. Like, go light on the concealer today. I'm gonna go, oh, even though she used a really heavy light concealer, but it's okay, we're not the same. No. It's a little light. I can put that on the outer part. And this concealer is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Use that on my nose, forehead. I don't think it's bright enough, but it'll do the job for now. My Huda Beauty in Praline, which I'll be putting on the inside part. Just 2 dots of that because it's very pigmented. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in. Running to, like, I don't get it. And just blend that all in. Again. Blend this part out. And also this part. Going with my foundation brush and blend this part out. Why did I forget this part? That's too funny. Blend this part out. In case there was any crease, blend it back out. And I'm gonna go in with my powder, my favorite powder for right now. Dust off any excess, okay? Before you apply your powder in. I'm not sure why I'm being shy to apply. This Makeup Forever powder brush. This powder has held me down for years. And they have a updated one, a newer one actually. For this, apply this to the just apply this to the rest of my face. You see how that blended in nicely. Bring that down to my I'm gonna go in with the same palette for the blush, the cream side, and I'm gonna use the powder side. So cute. And out. Brushing my eyebrow. Brush that out. My eyebrows. That's chosen to disappear and leave the boot. I like to use a brow pomade that I got from Beauty Supply. Brush them out, especially the front part. I like to use my foundation for the top part, one drop, and then my lighter concealer for the under, also two drops for the under eye, for my under eyebrows. Get a brush, whatever brush you're comfortable with. I like this slant shaped brush. That's what I like to use for my underneath my eyes. If you have like a straight shaped brush, straight one, you can also use that as well. You could either use this or you can use this as well. Let me try and use this today actually. Let me chat. Okay, I'll use this for the bottom, the straight, and I'll use the slant shape for the top. Okay, have a deal? Perfect. I'm gonna start from the middle. And just blend everything in. Alright. I'm gonna go with the top with the angled brush, angled or slant, and just wipe off the excess. Make sure you wipe off the excess. In fact, the excess little bit, that's what you need for the top. And just slowly create your shape. I like to start from the middle and just gently create my shape. Here as well. Put that right at the top here. one size trio, bronzing trio. Bring that to your forehead. Bring that down. Blend that all in. And then I'm going to do the nose area. Pinch your brush and just create the thinnest sharp line you could create. I don't know why this side is wonky, but make it as thin as possible. All right. Blend everything in at this point. The forehead, the nose. You want to blend in the nose, right? Because you don't want to be too strong. Diamond bomb and a brush, a lightweight brush, and just apply that for the highlight. Blend it in with your fingers. Again, going with your fingers and just blend that in, giving dimension. Upper cheek. Thick lashes here. And you're using this. Glam lids, the combo that I used in my previous video. I'll put the card right here so you guys can check that lipstick kit combo review. I'm gonna go in with this. Which was in the shade? Oh, it is. This is chocolate. This wasn't the shade that I was looking for, but it is nice. The smell is busting, but this is the look I'm doing. So yeah. Oh, let's set the face. Forgot about that for like almost a second. For setting spray, I'll be using, I think I want to use this 3. Next, I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. The heck? Bro, it's not coming out though. Ma'am, I get it, but it needs to work. Charlotte Tilbury, no local. What the heck, bro? I ain't got time for this. Is it that the mouth's... Here, serious trouble. Bro, I do not have time for this. I'm gonna use the other one. Please work, I ain't got time. I need to transfer this. Damn, this is not working. Charlotte, I need you, Charlotte. Come on, Charlotte. You can do it. Why? Charlotte, you can do it. No, she's not working. Oh my god, I ain't got time for that. I have other bad bitches that I can use. Am I supposed to shake it? But oh my gosh, this smells so good. Ooh. I'm gonna go with this liquid spray. There's literally clear enough. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh. To blend that over there. I could use my hand, but this is not showing. Ooh, it's giving a wet look. I like it. But I don't know if it's gonna dry up. Yes. Let's see if it's gonna work. Like this already has sparkle in there. Yep. Why not go for more sparkles? The more, the merrier. Oh yeah, baby. She is sparkling. Can you guys see it? I wish it was more of a bronze sparkle though. But this does the job still. If you like this makeup, like, and follow me for more glam makeup. I'm gonna be doing my glam look, well, fun glam look, whichever one, soft glam, full glam, fun glam, any glam look. Alright guys, we're done with the video. We're done with full glam. If you're interested in watching some of my other videos right here on makeup, transition look, glam look, you can watch this video right here. Or if you want to indulge in some of my product review video, you can watch the video right here as well. If you enjoy my content, please engage in the